Hello everyone. So this is just the translation actually of the French video that I just okay, the French video on the crypto. And okay, for you guys who are not, I mean, who don't speak French, I'm really sorry because I did promise that I will be also translating these videos into English. The French videos into English, but till now, I still don't have the time yet to do it. I'm really sorry about that, but I don't know when I'm gonna be able to do it, when I'm gonna be able to have the time, when I'm gonna be posting those videos in or translating the French videos and with subtitles in, English subtitles. I don't know yet when I'm gonna be able to do it. I'm really sorry, but I still cannot promise. Okay, so since I came back to China, you can notice that I haven't posted anything till now, just because I have been really, really very, very busy. And also, I'm thinking about what's gonna be the frequency actually of my videos because I think that there are, as I always say, people, we are all in different levels, different understanding levels, different level of understanding things. So I'm sure that most of my videos, some people and also the young generation, they still don't get the message. So it's better to, it's better sometimes to just give the people the time, okay, to let the things, this stuff, sink in, so that they get a deeper understanding of the messages. So that's the number one point. And as you can see, the French videos I have posted, some of them are like for around 30, 40 minutes. So I think it's a lot. So I'm just gonna let people, and also the young people, the time to understand, to get to the point. To get the point, you know. So this is why I have been like haven't been posting anything, okay, and also I have been busy. But I think in the future I will be posting only like let's say one video per 2 weeks or per month. I don't know yet, but I will try to take the time and also to give the people time to digest, all the info that I'm posting sometimes, all these messages and so on. Back to the point. Okay, anyway, you get my point. The reason why I'm doing this video right now, it's as you can notice that like a month ago in Warsaw, when I was in Warsaw, I posted a video talking about the blockchain. It's actually the only video in English. If you can watch it again, you can go down, you can scroll down, and the video is still there. So in the video, I was inviting people to get interested in the crypto, to try to understand what's the crypto, to try to get you know the environment and the meaning, and also the blockchain and all the stuff in the field, in the field of blockchain, cryptocurrency, and so on, and ICO. Okay, ICO, it's initial coin offer and stuff like that. So I was inviting people to try to get interested in, and at the same time, I was also inviting people to invest in the crypto, okay, because it's gonna be bigger and bigger. Okay, right now it's only like 400 billion, but I think it's even below right now because it has been going down for almost lost like I don't know, 30-40% or even more for some crypto. So I invited people to get in, and I also invited some of my friends. with whom I had the talk. We discussed. I have discussed this topic with many of my friends, and I did tell them, okay, get in, buy the crypto, do this, do this, do this. And so recently, as you can notice, and some of you guys that are following this, as you can notice, there is a market slowdown. Okay, things are going like boof, down. So people are asking me, what's going on? Okay, what's going on? First of all, I'm going to reply to those people, and also to give you this information. I just wanted to share this. It's actually very important because some of you may have this idea of maybe it's time to sell. Well, if I have something to tell you, I mean, if I have this advice, don't sell. That's the first thing. Don't sell. Whatever gonna happen, don't sell. Hold on. Okay? Hold your position. Hold whatever you have. Don't sell now. Okay? Because if you sell, you're gonna lose money for sure. I don't want you to lose money. To be honest with you, okay. Don't sell. First thing. Okay, the second thing is that you need to understand that there is actually a market manipulation. By who? I'm not going to give names, or I'm not in that level of. I'm just someone who is trying. I mean, anyway, we're not going to talk about. But just understand that there is a market manipulation, and that market manipulation right now is okay. What we're seeing right now, there is a. I mean, it's a big surprise actually to many people that uh, they're asking themselves, why isn't it like going up? It's not going up because some people are manipulating it. That's it. Don't need to, don't need to check deeper, or just people are manipulating it, like the big players, the big people. So now I'm going to talk about the manipulation and explain it the way I understand it. This is how I understand this manipulation, okay? It's just only my point of view, okay? It's just only my opinion, okay? You can have your own opinion, it's okay. But what I'm going to tell you right now, it's an analysis that is based on what I have been getting as info since like 2 years, okay? I have been following the crypto, you know, I didn't have time to really get in, like to be a specialist, because I have my own job. Okay, I'm doing something else. I have my own business and stuff like that. So crypto is not my major thing. Okay, this is also something very important to clarify. Crypto is not my major thing. It's not my specialty. Okay, I'm not Mr. Bitcoin or Mr. Ethereum, or no. Okay, I could have been, but I didn't have the time to. But anyway, so it's based, what I'm telling you right now, it's based on all of this info that I have been consolidating till now. Okay, what do you need to understand in this manipulation? The manipulation is happening right now because, first of all, you have these people that I just said, the big people, the big guys. Okay, they realize that they have missed the first waves, the first waves of development of the crypto, because you have today some millionaires, yeah, in the crypto. Those people that bought the crypto back in the 2011, 2012, even to 2014, some people who bought the crypto, the Bitcoin back in 2012, 2013, they are today millionaires, okay? So those people, they made a lot of money, okay? And these big guys, these big entities, these big controllers, let's call them like that, okay? They want to control because they are big, okay? They realize that they have missed something big, and it's going to be bigger than how it is right now. They have missed it. So what you're going to do if you are in their position? You're going to try to catch up. No, the first thing before trying to catch up, the first thing they have done is to try to discredit this crypto. So if you remember, you had many news like not long ago, like since let's say March, April last year, and even later. I mean, earlier before, like back in 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. Back in that time, many people were calling Bitcoin like something that is used for criminals or you name it, money laundering and stuff like that. So something bad. Okay, Bitcoin is not good. Okay, so they were fighting against it. That was the first solution. Okay, first solution. Oh, this is a bubble. Don't buy it. Okay, don't waste your time on it. It's just gonna explode. Okay, you need to understand that. Okay, if you put your money here, you're gonna lose it. They were trying to discredit the crypto and all of it. And then they saw that, they realized after that solution that it didn't work. People were still buying it more and more. And then what next? And then they realized that okay, the blockchain actually, we cannot stop the blockchain. It was it was a bit late for them to realize it actually. When they realized that, oh, okay, actually this technology, we cannot stop it, we cannot fight against it. It's because it's decentralized. I mean, for them to stop the Bitcoin, they need to shut the internet. That's the only solution. You shut down the internet, then you can stop all the Bitcoin. You can stop it. But that's impossible. I mean, no one in this world can just get up one day and I'm shutting off the Bitcoin. You can't. Okay, so they know that they can't. They cannot fight it. They know that they cannot control it because it's decentralized, and now they are like in a panic mode. What are we gonna do with this? How are we gonna control it? Huh? Where you gonna grab? But every time you try to grab something, it's just slide. And anyway, I'm not getting into. Okay, back to the topic. So what you need to understand is that these big people, I'm not against them. I'm also for regulations, but it has to be in a fair way. Okay, regulation, but it has to be fair. Okay, not only regulation for one side. Or we even saw the people. It's online. Okay, it's on internet. You can go now online and Google those people. The first people that put the regulations for this cryptocurrency, they left the regulator. I mean the regulation system, and now they create their own private companies. They own private consulting companies for people that want to get in the blockchain, in the Bitcoin, and you see. So the same people, okay. So it's funny that way. This is why But anyway, so those people, they have missed the first waves, and now they try to control it, and then they realize they cannot control, and then they try to first they miss the first waves. Okay, second, they try to discredit it, to fight against it, to push for the ban. And then they realize that they cannot. And then so right now they're trying to control it, and then they realize that to control it, at least they need to get in. And this is what's happening. This is why the manipulation. Okay? For these people to get in, what you need to understand is that if you want to get in, well, if the market level is like here, it's a little bit late for you. This is, let's say, this is the standard market level. This is the real market level. But you know that if you get in here right now, well, you have missing something. You have been missing something. So maybe it's better for you if you have the power. Okay, if you have the power, it's better for you to push for the market to just go a little bit down, so that if you get here, when it's here, you will be able to, when the market goes back into its normal real level, then you're gonna make this profit. This is what's going on. It's a bit technical, but it's very easy to understand. They want to get in, but they don't want to get in here. They want to get in here. So they are using like all the means they have to bring the market down, to be able to at least make some profit when the market goes back to normal. This is what we're witnessing right now. And it's nothing. It's not a secret. I mean, you go online. You can. I mean, you need to analyze all of this. It's gonna take time to connect all the dots, but that's exactly what's going on. Okay, so these people, that's their main main focus. Okay, so how they gonna bring the market down? It's by pushing with all the means they have, the media, telling the people, hey, it's time to sell, it's time to sell. This stuff is going down, it's going down. Yeah, it's going down, but it's not going down to zero, so I'm not selling. I'm holding my stuff. If you want, you sell, okay? But the novice, the guy that just get in the market, who doesn't know nothing, if he says on the news, hey, it's time to sell, and he'll be like, oh, they say it's time to sell, I need to sell my stuff. He bought the Bitcoin when it was 20,000, and now the media is asking him to sell when it's like 9, 10,000. What do you think? 9, 10,000 you're gonna sell, but you bought it at 20,000. Why are you gonna sell? Okay, so this is why I'm telling you, hold on, and let's see. After February, March, April, and then we will talk about it again, right? So don't sell, hold on. Whatever. I mean, maybe you're gonna see more and more news saying, talking about the hack on the platform, so that people will be like more scared to sell. Talking about the problems of the cryptocurrencies, talking about the blockchain's problems and stuff like that, going more in the negative way. I have even seen some journalists, they were pushing people to buy Ripple, for example, when it was at 2 point something USD. And now it's 0.9. They're pushing people to sell. I mean, and the novice will be selling. The guy that just get in the market, he'll be selling it. He'll be like, oh, I don't want to lose money. But you are already losing if you sell at 0.9, while you have been buying it when it was 2 point something. 2 point something you buy it, and you sell at 0.9. What's the profit you're going to make on it? So just hold on. This is my, okay, no need to panic. Just let them make their dance. Once the dance is over, the market will go back to normal, and then they will get in and put more money. Okay, but now they want to buy when it's here, so that they can, when the market goes on its normal level, they make their profit. I'm not an insider, I don't know much, but it's very easy to just see the trend, okay, to follow the news, to read between the line, and you will get all of this. It's very easy. So to those people that have been asking me, this is what I can share with you, actually. And okay, if you want, I mean, if you still have some question, you can still send me an email or ask me in private, or I can also give you all the links you want. You check by yourself, you do this analysis by yourself, and you also can tell me what you think about it. Anyway, I'm stopping here, and one last thing is, as the market is going down like this, okay, if you can afford it, buy now. Okay, buy now, because know that the market, it will be going back. And the other thing is, why I'm talking about manipulation, it's because, you know, these cryptocurrency like Ripple, how can you explain that the market, I mean, there is more and more adoption of the big players, like some more and more international banks I'm talking about. Okay, you can go check it. More and more adoption of Ripple, but the price is going down. Okay, the price is going down, but they are adopting it more and more. So if it's not, anyway, so go try to figure it out. Okay, more and more adoption, but the price is going down. Ripple. Okay, more and more banks are adopting Ripple, but the price is going down. Go figure out. I mean, go try to understand. Is it logic? It's not logical. So anyway, so I'm gonna stop here, and I still cannot promise that I'll be translating all of the videos in English, but this one I had to do it because I did talk about it in the previous one, and I had to come back because some of the people I have advised, okay, I did advise some of you guys, and I said, okay, I have to do it. So this is my opinion on the topic, and if you have it, hold it. Okay, if you want to get in right now, it's very low, you can get in now. Okay, and all of the advices the advices I can give on the crypto, just know that when it's something nobody can control, and no one can predict at 100% that this is what's gonna happen. Nobody. I'm just predicting. I'm not predicting even. I'm just advising you. If you want, you can get in now because it's low. Then it's gonna go up. Okay, but if you wanna get in now, you need to be able to afford it, because nobody knows when it's gonna just start going up for you to make some money. But anyway, so this is just something I wanted to develop and come back to it. And you have some question, let me know. And next videos, I don't know if I'll be back in the also translation. I mean, English translation. I don't know yet. So there is nothing I can say right now. Okay, thank you.